Anak, sobrang masaya kami sa'yo. Alam ko, naniniwala ko, makukuha natin ang corona. I love you, mahal na mahal ka namin.
Finally, nagsalita na ang mga magulang ni Miss Universe Philippines, Chelsea Manalo, sa naging performance ng anak sa katatapos lang na preliminary competition ng pageant. Super proud sila sa ipinakitang laban ng anak at naniniwala sila na makukuha natin ang corona ngayong taon. Maging sa mga inilabas na survey online ay laging pasok si Chelsea na sa tingin nila ay maaaring koronahan on Coronation Night. Kasama din sila Peru, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Dominican Republic, Mexico, Chile, Denmark, Puerto Rico, Thailand at Venezuela. Samantala nagsalita na rin si Chelsea Manalo hinggil sa naging performance niya sa preliminary. Bagamat may ilan na nakulangan sa kanyang ipinakita, hiling pa rin ng kandidata na patuloy siyang suportahan. Dahil ang laban na ito ay para sa lahat at sa sambayanang Pilipino. What an incredible night during the prelims. I gave it my all and had so much fun on that stage. Your support means everything to me. Let's keep the momentum going. Laban Pilipinas. Samantala, nagbigay naman ng pahayag ang owner ng Miss Universe na si Anja Krajuta Tip sa mga katangiang hinahanap nila sa bagong mananalo at ang aasahang magiging journey nito bilang new queen.
Yay! Wow, all Filipino, Proud Philippines in Mexico. Okay, Mr. and Mrs. Manalo, congratulations.
Thank you.
So, unang-una, anong naramdaman nyo? Malapit kayo sa stage. Nakita nyo si Chelsea.
Sobrang saya namin dahil malapit lang kami sa stage. Then sobrang...
Una, yung national costume.
Amazing. So amazing. Napakaganda niya doon. And
the swimsuit.
Swimsuit, so galing maglakad and smooth.
Okay.
And the
evening gown.
Evening gown, oh my God. Kakaiba. Siya lang walang mga stone. Very simple but elegant and like a princess.
Yeah. So as a mom, how did you feel sa watching your daughter compete in the Miss Universe stage?
So proud of her. Na, alam mo yun.
Naiyak ba kayo ulit?
No, I'm so happy. Na nakasmile lang ako the whole time na lumalabas si Chelsea. Nag-cheer ako na mamaos na nga ako sa sobrang sigaw.
Okay, what about you, Daddy, Randy?
Yun lang po. Naman, kayang-kaya niya ilaban. Talagang pinag-preparean niya to. Araw-araw, sa Pilipinas pa siya. Hanggang pumunta ng LA. Todo practice. Alam niya na sa sarili niya. Kukunin niya ang corona para sa Pilipinas.
Message niya para kay Chelsea.
Anak, sobrang masaya kami sa'yo. Alam ko, naniniwala ko, makukuha natin ang corona. I love you, mahal na mahal ka namin.
I love you, anak, at mag-iingat ka palagi. Nandito lang kami ni Mami.
Okay.
You mentioned in the front of you yesterday that you have to have that stamina to become the Miss Universe.
That's right. She has to be healthy, she has to be strong, she has to focus, and she has good attitude in order to travel around the world. I think this year, at least 35 countries around the world.
Congratulations.
Be healthy enough, having the good mindset, and also be ready to travel at least 35 countries this year. So after the crowning moment, the next day, she will go to the private jet and head up to Miami for the interviews, a lot of interviews, 3 days in Miami. After that, she will go to New York for the Empire State Building and of course, a lot of TV shows in New York City before she heads up to Thailand and the Philippines and Indonesia, Jakarta. So a lot of countries there. I'm glad that our Miss Universe will come back before Christmas time for the countdown and also celebration on the New Year in New York City.
What do you think the people of Mexico?
So she will come back to Mexico also maybe in February. Our Miss Universe this year, 2024, our title holder, whoever she is, we don't know yet, but we already know that she is fully booked all year round.
Your tip for the woman tonight so that she can shine.
I would love to see the walk. I just would love them to name their own walk. Last year, Shanice Palacio won because of her sway walk. I just would love to see the innovative the initiative idea of creating your own walk. That is the charisma, that is the character, and that is kind of transformational leader. You cannot just come and walk, but you must have the character walk. How do you feel her to be in the national costume? And I would love to see the first gown of everyone on the stage. I just would love to see how beautiful they are and the character that can be the iconic woman of the world. Thank you.
Thank you.